There is quite a lot of colour in this coastal meadow in the late summer. There's loads of this fleabane here, not getting to its full height that it can get to, because about sort of so high, but still very plentiful nonetheless. Lots of these bright yellow flowers. This plant's very good for getting rid of insects and things. You can just sort of strew some of the herb and it chases off loads of different insects. There's tons and tons of this knapweed everywhere, loads and loads of that. You just see it going off for ages. It looks really nice. And then there's the old clump of ragwort and quite a few bits of wild carrot here, which always does well by the seaside. And if I look over here, deep in amongst the grasses is this red Bartzia here, which is sort of almost finished flowering. There's a few bits that are still flowering. And this plant is semi-parasitic on the roots of grasses. Let's find a bit that's still got some flowers on it if I can. That one, possibly no. Yeah, it's kind of a nice little plant, but it doesn't have a great deal of uses. But yeah, it's sort of more or less finished flowering now. There's one with a few little flowers there. But yeah, it's mostly finished. This is the kind of plant that you don't really notice unless you kind of look very closely at the grass. There are a few different types of hawkweeds and hawkbits just here and there. And there's red clovers, but they seem to be mostly finished now. And then just the odd bird's foot trefoil. They don't seem to be fully out anymore. It's just the odd one here and there. There's a bit more of it here, and right along the actual coastline you've got quite a few big clumps of fennel, and down here, well, on the actual beach, there's this like sea spinach, this perpetual spinach, kind of maritime version, and that's there all year round, and just really likes to grow on the cliffs and underneath them. So there's quite a lot of things to find in the late summer on these coastal meadows, and lots of interesting things to see.